Hello everyone, myself Shailaja from Government Polytechnic Bidar. Welcome all to this portal of Learning Management System under Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Today we shall discuss about Vehicle Proximity Detection System. This is from Unit 2 of Automobile Electronics. So this is related to the subject Applications of Electronics Engineering for 5th semester. So the contents of this session are Vehicle Proximity Detection System, Vehicle to Pedestrian Proximity Detection System which is used in the mining, Ultrasonic Vehicle Proximity Detection System, and role of proximity detection sensors in vehicle safety. Over 500,000 automobile accidents each year result from improper overtaking. That is, when drivers want to overtake without proper rules following, then due to the improper overtaking many accidents occur. So to avoid these accidents we can make use of proximity detection system. Vehicle proximity detection system, it alerts the driver about the vehicles moving into his rear blind zones while overtaking. Here the area behind the vehicle, here also we can see it. These two vehicles are in the rear blind zone. Blind zone means the vehicles which are coming in this area, which want to overtake the front vehicle, they are not visible to the driver of front vehicle. So this area is called as rear blind spot or rear blind zone, because this area is not visible to the driver. Hence, if the vehicle wants to overtake, then the accidents may occur. The objective of proximity detection system is to reduce or eliminate the risk associated with heavy equipment collisions with mobile or stationary objects. Proximity detection system is not only useful in vehicle safety, but it can be used in various other applications. Here this figure shows mining area. So here visibility is very less, and due to the mining operation there will be sound disturbance also. The pedestrians and other vehicles which come in this area are not able to view or hear the sound of other vehicles. So the collision may occur. Therefore, we can make use of vehicle to pedestrian proximity detection so that pedestrians as well as vehicles collision is avoided. Proximity detection system are becoming a critical control measure for improving safety in mobile mining equipment. PDS technology works to detect people and vehicles in the vicinity of enabled vehicle and sounds an alarm for the impending hazard. So whenever any pedestrian comes near the vehicle, then the alarm can be heard. So the pedestrians as well as the driver of the vehicle become alert, so the collision can be avoided. And in certain systems, the proximity detection system is able to take control and initiate last line of defense measures such as stopping the vehicle. So here this is the advanced proximity detection system. Here this will not only give the alarm, it will not but it will also give the instructions to stop the vehicle. It will take the measures to automatically turn off this vehicle so that the collision can be avoided. So in this, interactions included are vehicle to vehicle, vehicle to person, and vehicle to any stationary object or structure. So the proximity detection system is useful in many areas like mining, where and in areas where visibility is restricted, that is dark environments. In industries where restricted vision leads to the lower productivity and unsafe conditions. The solution for all these problems is using proximity detection system with following features. That is, the proximity detection system, if it has enhanced vision with onboard video cameras to reduce the blind spots, and if it provides active audio and visual alerts to warn the equipment operators, and that proximity system should utilize smart sensing systems such as radar and ultrasonic detection to enhance the situational awareness. So this figure shows the Strata's proximity detection and collision avoidance technology, which is used in the mining area. So it prevents the unintentional contact between the personnel and machinery, as well as collision between the machinery with the underground and surface mining. So this system helps to promote safer work practices by increasing safety awareness and modifying worker behavior. So next we will be discussing about ultrasonic vehicle proximity detection system. So this system alerts the driver about the vehicles moving into his rear blind zone while overtaking. This figure shows block diagram of ultrasonic vehicle proximity detection system. Here the signals are picked up by the ultrasonic transducer or microphone. It is equipped with a directional horn. It is coupled through a tuned circuit to a high gain amplifier. Here this ultrasonic transducer picks up the signals or sound signals which are coming near the vehicle. That is ultrasonic vehicle proximity detection system. It is embedded or it is situated in an vehicle to provide better visibility or to provide the situational awareness. So that ultrasonic vehicle proximity detection system via this transducer picks up the signals from nearby vehicles. After tuning, the signals are fed to the amplifier. Here the signals are amplified, then it is fed to the limiter circuit. So tuned circuit and limiter, they will ensure response only to the high frequency sounds of moving vehicles. That is, it will not pick up the low noise signals. It will pick up only the high frequency signals from moving vehicles which are coming near the vehicle. Whereas it rejects shocks and other similar pulse like signals. The signal is cleaned and fed to the display driver using signal conditioner. The output is a DC voltage capable of energizing a lamp on the vehicle's instrument panel. Circuit parameters are chosen so that the system is insensitive to vehicles traveling at very low speeds. That is, the vehicles which are very far. The system will pick up only the signals which are near to the ultrasonic detection system. whereas the sound signals coming from far vehicles are rejected. The pickup transducer may be mounted as part of tail and turn light assembly. So, role of proximity detection system in vehicle safety. Proximity sensors play key part in autonomous driving or driverless cars. Proximity detection systems can detect when vehicle is too close to any object. New vehicles are coming with advanced features like parking assist and adaptive cruise control. Parking assist, it helps the user in safe parking of the vehicle without collision with nearby objects. That is, when the driver is new to driving or when he is not that efficient, then parking becomes very difficult. But the parking assist feature in the modern cars, it helps the user for safe parking. It will guide the driver to safely park the vehicle without collision with the nearby objects. Using radar, lasers or a camera and image processor, information regarding the lane position, distances between the vehicles and even objects or people at the side of the road is compiled and assembled to form a picture what is going on around the vehicle. So parking assist system, it contains a technology which will give a picture what is going around that vehicle so that the driver is able to park it. So such vehicles are able to park themselves. And the second feature is adaptive cruise control. So adaptive cruise control, this feature allows user to slow down or speed up depending on the traffic around the vehicle. It warns driver if there is something in their blind spot or automatically adapt to the vehicle's cruising speed to cope with the major slowdowns in traffic. That is, if the traffic around the vehicle is high, if more traffic is there, then the adaptive cruise control will warn the driver to slow down, whereas if the traffic is less number of vehicles are there around this vehicle, then it will give suggestion to speed up. In this way, we can adaptive cruise control will guide the vehicle driver to adapt to the situation. So these features like parking assist or adaptive cruise control would not have been possible without the proximity sensors. Electromagnetic and ultrasonic sensors are the most often used sensors in vehicles. So now we shall discuss about some multiple choice questions related to the proximity detection system. So the first one is, dash system alerts a driver about the vehicles moving into his rear blind zone while overtaking. So options are vehicle proximity detection, B safety, C suspension, D all of the above. So which system alerts the driver about vehicles coming into rear blind zone? That is vehicle proximity detection. The answer is vehicle proximity detection system alerts a driver about vehicles coming into his rear blind zone while overtaking. The second one, in ultrasonic vehicle proximity detection, signals are picked up by dash transducer, microwave, heat, ultrasonic, or all the above options? The answer is ultrasonic transducer. The ultrasonic transducer or microphone picks up the signals produced by the nearby vehicles. Tuned circuit and amplitude limiter circuits reject dash. Option A, high frequency. Option B, low frequency. Option C, both A and B. Option D, similar pulse-like signals. So as we already discussed, the tuned circuit and amplitude limiter circuits, they will pick up only the high frequency signals coming from the nearby vehicles, whereas it rejects similar pulse-like signals. The answer is D, similar pulse-like signals. The fourth multiple choice question. Vehicle proximity detection system. It is used to alert a driver about the vehicles moving into his dash. Option A, rear blind zones, front zone, C, both A and B, D, none of the above. The answer is A, rear blind zones, because the objects which are in the rear blind zone are not visible. Hence, the vehicle proximity detection system, it is used to alert the driver about vehicles moving into his rear blind zone. Fifth one, adaptive cruise control allows user to dash depending on the traffic around the vehicle. Option A, slow down. B, speed up. C, both A and B. D, none of these. So as here the name itself suggests, this adaptive cruise control allows the user to adapt to the situations, adapt to the traffic. It helps in both the slowing down as well as speed up. When the traffic is less, speed up. When the traffic is more, slow down. So the answer is C, both A and B. That means adaptive cruise control allows the user to both slow down as well as for speeding up of the vehicle based on the traffic movement. Sixth one, proximity detection system is useful in dash. A, vehicle safety. B, mining area. C, industries. D, all the above. So we have discussed in this session, proximity detection system is useful in the vehicle safety to avoid the collisions. It is useful in the mining areas to prevent the collision between the pedestrian and vehicles or between two vehicles, because in mining area the sound disturbance will be more, mining operation is being done, so the vehicle sound is not audible. In the same way, in industries also there will be lot of noise and some autonomous operations are also carried. Therefore, the collision may occur. Therefore, to detect the collision, we need proximity detection system. So, proximity detection system is useful in all these cases. So, the answer is D, all the above. So, these are the references. From these sources, I have collected the information. Thank you one and all. Please give your feedback. You are welcome, and your suggestions are welcome at this website, that is lms@ lms.dtek@gmail.com. Thank you one and all.